Hi guys, today I will be making another pork ribs with beans. I am using 2 trays of pork spare rib cross cut. I'm going to go ahead and cut them into 1 inch to 2 inches in length, and then bring the water to boil, add in salt and vinegar to remove impurities. Set the bones aside, and then I'll go ahead and prepare my tomatoes. I'm using 4 tomatoes and cut them up into little cubes. I'm using 6 to 8 baby carrots and 3 stems of green onion. The baby carrots, I'm not going to cut them. I'm not going to cut my carrots because I'm using my carrots to add more color to my dish. So when the carrots are cooked, I will go ahead and puree my carrots. I'm also using 1 can of pinto beans, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1/4 cup of chopped onion and cilantro. I'm also using 2 cups of fresh cut green beans. On my new cast iron pot, which I am falling in love with, I'm using the cast iron pot to braise my spare ribs. I like this pot because it comes with a temperature gauge. It allows me to see what temperature I will be using to braise my spare ribs, and it looks like it's going to be between 200 Fahrenheit to 250 Fahrenheit. Heat is at medium. When the pot is hot, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in half tablespoon of minced garlic and the first half of pre-cut green onion. Now add in the rest of my spare ribs and give it a few stirs so the meat can absorb the flavor of garlic and green onion. Also, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Now I'm going to add in my tomatoes, carrots, and the rest of the green onion. Give it a few stir, mix them all up. Now add in 3 cups of water and braise the spare ribs until the meat is nice and soft, tender, and meat comes off the bone. Then close the lid and cook all the ingredients in about 30 minutes on medium heat. When the liquid is half reduced, your recipe is almost ready as well. For this recipe, I'm using 2 kaffir lime leaves. If you don't have this type of leaves, you can use lemon zest. Now add in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in all the pinto beans. The pinto beans help to thicken my sauce in addition to adding cornstarch mixture toward the end. Then add in the rest of the green beans and give it a few stir. Close the lid and turn off the heat. Wait for 15 minutes. And add in fresh cut tomatoes and finish the dish with cilantro and green onion to garnish. So this is it. This recipe is completed. It's very simple to make, and it's easy to eat. It serves really well over rice, and you cannot go wrong with rice and beans. Rice and beans themselves provide enough nutrition one needs daily. So that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like the recipe, please share and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the button below, subscribe. Thank you so much for your time. Until then, bye bye.